What's up guys, Miguel here with part 4 of my Z4 convertible top restoration. I'm going to be using the Renovo soft top reviver, and basically I'm going to have a paintbrush and a little cup to pour it in. This is going to be part 4 of the video. Part 1, 2, and 3 is cleaning the top, and then after cleaning the top 3 times, stuck with these little grease spots that I hope will be covered by the Renovo reviver. 40 bucks on Amazon. I'm gonna put a link on the description, and pretty much that's what the top looks like at its best since I got the car a few weeks ago. About half the bottle. Make sure you have a wet towel just so you could wipe anything that might spill off of the side. Here we go. Across the top of the car, also where the bars are more stains. So hopefully this does it. So I'm going to do the tops first, where the stains are. And then I'm going to spread it out from over there. Just going to get these guys first, where I need it the most. So if I just do one coat, I'm gonna little dribbles. Just make sure every part is saturated. I mean, if it doesn't work, I can just always do it again. It's only 40 bucks for a bottle of it. And then now that I've gotten all of that, I could start with the top. And then just work my way down like that. And then spreading everything on. I'm not going to bore you guys with an entire video of me doing the top, because I think that would be too long of a video, and no one would watch it anyway. So I'm going to keep on doing what I'm doing, and then I'll do a part 5 of how it's going to be after everything is done. So over here, I'll do a few more minutes on the video. And all that dye is getting sucked into the fabric. I was actually happy already with the way just the cleanings came out, and I was ready to leave it like that. But I was like, since I've already cleaned it up so well, I might as well try the product just to see if it's gonna work for me. So I'm going both ways so I can get good coverage on the top. I don't know if you guys can see it, but when I go both ways like that, it actually gets all the lighter spots. So that's what it's looking like so far. I'm gonna end this video right here, and then later I'm gonna do another video after it's dry and I've done everything else, because 7 minutes for a video is pretty long. But stay tuned. Thanks for watching.